Marketing with email is simple when you are educated. Email marketing is a powerful tool in today's tech-oriented, internet-based world. It can be used to interact with a customer base to increase profits, as well as gain new customers. As powerful as the tool is, it can be easily misused. There is a very thin line between email marketing and spam. Luckily, the following video will help you use email marketing without spamming unnecessarily. When emailing your customers, an excellent suggestion is to follow up with lower prices. For example, you could link a phrase that says, "Grab it," onto the email. In addition, the end of this email could include a phrase that says, "Become a member in order to have lower prices on our products." Always seek permission before sending marketing emails to potential customers. Sending unsolicited emails will quickly have you labeled a spammer. Getting permission to send your messages doesn't have to be hard. Offer something valuable to your customers in exchange for the ability to email them, such as a discount, coupon, or other sign-up incentive. Consider using a template that allows for each recipient to receive a personalized message in the greeting. People respond more favorably to emails that address them personally, and are less likely to reject the message. This personalization is simple to accomplish, and will grow a greater relationship with your customers. If you want your email marketing messages to get to the right inboxes, target anyone whom you send to. If you already have a core set of fans or followers, offer discounts or promotions to those who get friends to show up. Anyone curious in your products and services probably has known others with similar interests, which mean you can organically grow your list through existing social relationships. As stated before, in a world dominated by the internet, email marketing is a powerful tool. Though it can be used for good purposes, such as interacting with potential and current customers, it can be misused as well, taking on the form of spam. When you use email marketing, keep this video in mind and your messages won't end up in your recipient's spam folder. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.